Container. Container, as per the definition, container package application and their dependency into a single lightweight portable unit, making it easy to run apps reliable across the environment. Azure offers several service for the running container without managing the underlying infrastructure. So what exactly container is? Container is something like a space. Yes, yes. It's like a container. A container is something a space. There where what you can do, you can dependency into a single lightweight portable unit, making it easy to run the app reliable. Means you can run the application from there where there is no need to go to the VM to deploy your application. That is something a container. A space you can understand as its container is as a space which Azure offers you. Azure offers several service for running the container without managing the underlying infrastructure. Meaning of this thing, container is as per now we understand container is a space there where we can run the application. And the last line is saying that Azure offers several services, not only run the application, it provides several services for running the container without managing. Means there is no need to manage their infrastructure and all these things. A container can maintain itself. Azure Container Instance ACI. Azure Container Instance is the serverless container service that let you run Docker container directly in Azure without managing the VM or orchestrator like Kubernetes. Means Azure container here, we understood container is something space there from there where we can run the application, deploy the application, all these things we can do from the container. But here Azure Container Instance. So Azure Container Instance is the serverless, okay, and that run the Docker container directly into Azure without managing. Means there is no need to manage the VM, right? This is the Azure Container Instance. Start container in a second. Feature. Here we are talking about the feature of the Azure container. Right. So start container in a second. Support Linux Windows container. Per second billing. Pay for only for what you use. Means this is the feature provided by the Azure. Whatever you are using, you need to pay only for that one only. Great for the short live task, background job, or simple API. So container is means a container is something which is very good for us. If you do not want to use the VM, then you can use the container for what? If you want short lived task, right? If you have a small task or something, you have a background job which you want to run, then you can use the Azure container. A simple API you have, then you can use the container. Running a batch data processing job. Yes, batch processing, we can use the container. Deploying a temporary API or microservices. Yes, we can deploy the temporary API and microservice as well. Executing cron job and background tasks. So overall, this is the feature of the container which I am reading here. So that we can understand what exactly container do. Now we are talking about the API app service. App service, Azure App Service. What exactly Azure App Service? Azure App Service let you run the web application, REST API, mobile backend, and it support deploying custom container using the Docker. So, as per the definition, we understood that the Azure App Service is something like where we can deploy the application, REST API, run the application, and mobile backend as well. So this is the Azure App Service, right? Now, manage PaaS platform as a service for containerized web app. Now we are talking about the feature of Azure App Service, right? Support CI/CD with the GitHub, Azure DevOps for To understand about the CI/CD and GitHub, you need to know you have support CI/CD with GitHub, Azure DevOps, etc. Build in scaling custom domain SSL monitoring. Great for production, great web apps, hosting a Node.js or .NET Core apps package in the Docker container, running a multi-containers app during the Docker Compose, building SAS software as a service platform using the build in the scaling and monitoring. So these are the feature of the Azure App Service. In this slide, we will understand what is the features of Azure App Service, Azure Container Instance, and Azure App Service. So use cases are the quick job. If you want to run, use container instance. Background task, use container instance. Whereas app service is used for web app API long running service. From here we can understand, from the first line we can understand that the app service is used for long running service. But if you want the quick job at that time, you can use the container instance, right? Infrastructure fully serverless, whereas app service is the platform as a service, right? Scaling, manual or limited auto scale, build in auto scaling. So in app service have a lots of feature which Azure Container Instance don't have, right? Here we can understand because you have a auto scaling, build in auto scaling where is a manual and limited auto scale, right? Pricing pay per second. Azure app service per instance per hour pricing, right? CI/CD integration manual where is built in Azure.